Hi, I'm Vanessa Lee, and I'm going to show you how to do your own depuff facial with the Complex Culture T-Bar to boost circulation and depuff the skin. Before you use your T-Bar, you want to make sure you use a cleanser and get your skin nice and clean. The second step before you use your Complex Culture T-Bar is making sure you use a serum or an oil that you tolerate well onto the skin so that you have a nice glide. It's recommended that you use the T-Bar for a total of 10 to 15 minutes. So you can do a couple of minutes on each quadrant of the face. You can start on the forehead area and work in between the 11s where we tend to hold a lot of tension. And you can work your way down to the crow's feet, sculpting the cheekbones, and then lastly, the lower face and jawline. You can also use the T-Bar on the neck area and this area right underneath the chin, which is called the submental area, to just sculpt and lift and define the jawline even further. Make sure that you always move the T-Bar upwards when you're using it on the neck and face. You want to defy gravity that's pulling downwards. Puffiness in the face can be caused by water retention. It can also be caused by stagnation in the tissues. So a nice way to address this is making sure that just like when our bodies feel bloated and puffy, we do something like yoga to get moving and increase circulation. A great tip in making sure that you're preventing puffiness in the face is keeping your T-Bar somewhere cool, like your fridge. When you use the T-Bar, you're not only going to benefit from the facial massage, you'll also benefit from the vasoconstriction because of the coolness. After using your T-Bar, you can go ahead and put moisturizer or night cream of your choice on. You can use this 3 to 4 times a week for 10 to 15 minutes each, and know that you can avoid and prevent stagnation and puffiness in the skin with facial massage. Thank you so much for joining us.